And viewers, it didn't end there. In fact, there are more Congress leaders who are now reacting in a similar manner to President's address earlier today. We have a reaction now coming in from Manish Tiwari, who has put out a post on social media platform X saying that the President's address, unfortunately, is nothing more than a ritualistic reiteration of a laundry list of the government's alleged achievements. He also says the Rashtrapati Bhavan should be spared of this annual embarrassment. So now he's gone a step further. He has called President's address that happens ahead of the budget session that happened today by President Draupadi Murmu as an annual embarrassment. And he says otherwise the Honorable President of India should be allowed to speak her or his own mind. So that's the latest update coming in. Let's go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Sabyasachi, what do we make of these kind of remarks that have started coming in one after the other, targeting the president? It seems, is it part of some kind of a strategy of the opposition, of the Congress party specifically, as far as this budget session of Parliament is concerned?
Well, see, the various leaders from the Congress party, be it Manish Tiwari or Mr. Manikam Tagore, all of them have stated that the statement that was read by the President of India, it is a statement that has been handed to her by the Prime Minister, by the BJP, and she is not speaking what is there on her mind. It is a statement which has been handed to her by the BJP, and that is the reason why the chairman of the Congress party, Sonia Gandhi, and in fact Rahul Gandhi, has called the speech boring. Now, more and more Congress leaders are extending their support to Sonia Gandhi, stating that the Rashtrapati Bhavan should stop this annual embarrassment and the President of India should be allowed to speak her own mind. See, this particular remark has been coming in from the Congress party, whereas on the other hand, whether it is the various citizens of the country or several BJP leaders, in fact, have reminding the Congress party that it is a habit which has been practiced by the President during the UPA time as well, and the President during the UPA time also read about the policies that has been presented by then government. So it is not something new, whereas the opposition has the complete right to criticize the policies of the government, but going on and attacking the President of India at a personal level is not right, and Congress party has been making it a habit of attacking Draupadi Murmu time and again on a personal level since the time her name has been announced by the government that she is going to be the first tribal president of India.